As President Joe Biden approaches the culmination of his tenure in the White House, the nation reflects on his administration's accomplishments, challenges, and the legacy he leaves behind. The final days of any presidency are pivotal, marked by significant decisions, ceremonial duties, and the setting of precedents for future administrations. Throughout his administration, President Biden has focused on several core areas, aiming to address both immediate and long-term challenges facing the nation. One of the cornerstone achievements of Biden's presidency has been the economic recovery and infrastructure overhaul. The implementation of the American Rescue Plan provided essential relief to individuals and businesses affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, ensuring economic stability during unprecedented times. Additionally, the Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act stands as a landmark bipartisan achievement aimed at modernizing America's infrastructure, including roads, bridges, and public transit systems, thereby creating jobs and fostering economic growth. Healthcare reform has also been a significant focus of Biden's administration. Efforts to expand the Affordable Care Act have aimed to increase healthcare coverage and reduce prescription drug prices, making healthcare more accessible and affordable for millions of Americans. Climate change and environmental policies have been at the forefront of Biden's agenda. By rejoining the Paris Agreement, the United States reaffirmed its commitment to global climate initiatives. Initiatives aimed at criminal justice reform seek to reduce mass incarceration and address systemic biases within the justice system, promoting fairness and equality. On the international stage, Biden has worked to strengthen alliances and address global threats. Reinforcing relationships with NATO allies and other international partners has been crucial in maintaining peace and cooperation. The management of the Afghanistan withdrawal, a complex and contentious process, highlighted the administration's commitment to ending America's longest war while navigating the challenges of transitioning responsibility to Afghan forces. Despite these accomplishments, President Biden's administration has faced significant challenges. The ongoing management of the COVID-19 pandemic, particularly with the emergence of new variants, has posed continuous public health and economic challenges. Economic pressures, including rising inflation rates, have affected consumer prices and purchasing power, leading to debates over monetary policy and fiscal measures. Political polarization within the electorate and Congress has created legislative gridlock, making it difficult to pass key pieces of legislation and fostering partisan conflicts. International tensions, such as the escalating conflict between Russia and Ukraine, have required delicate diplomatic maneuvers and robust defense strategies to protect national security interests. Additionally, addressing the persistent climate crisis remains a formidable challenge, with debates over the pace and scale of transitioning to renewable energy sources continuing to shape policy decisions. Farewell addresses delivered to the nation reflect on his administration's journey and outline hopes for the country's future. The announcement of initiatives to address unidentified aerial phenomena showcases transparency and a commitment to national security. Signing final executive orders ensures continuity and addresses unresolved issues before the transition. The Biden-Harris administration transition team has facilitated a smooth handover of responsibilities to the incoming administration, ensuring that critical functions continue without interruption. President Biden's legacy is a tapestry woven from his policy initiatives, leadership style, and the challenges he overcame. His efforts to expand healthcare accessibility have had a lasting impact on millions of Americans, reducing uninsured rates and improving public health outcomes. Economic measures taken during his tenure have positioned the United States for sustained growth, despite global uncertainties. Commitment to combating climate change has set the stage for future advancements in green technology and sustainable practices. Progressive reforms have advanced the cause of equality and justice, addressing long-standing societal issues. Reinforced international relationships have bolstered America's standing on the global stage, promoting peace and cooperation. As President Joe Biden's time in the White House draws to a close, his administration leaves behind a complex legacy characterized by significant achievements and formidable challenges. The final days of his presidency encapsulate a period of reflection, transition, and the enduring quest to build a more equitable and resilient America.